Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and today the stunning Seiko GPS Solar Astron. Astron is a renowned name, of course, from 1969, the first quartz wristwatch, and now it's back. It's got so many functions. GPS, of course, is global positioning system, and wherever you go in the world, it will set itself on time. And solar, maybe you can see here, it's got a translucent dial, so behind the dial there are solar cells, and that charges the capacitor, the chargeable battery. This is quite a personal stream. It's not a review because the watch is excellent, it's perfect, and Seiko doesn't make any crap in whatever level of budget you are. It is titanium, it's so exceptionally light. To be honest, I made a stream like this about the same GPS Solar Astron before, and I didn't release it, and I want to show you a very handsome guy with a very short beard with a limited edition of the same watch, one of only 1200 made. The limited edition Seiko Astron GPS Solar. A lot of information on the dial, but it is something special. Well, not only the inside but the outside as well. This is the limited edition with the titanium ceramics. There we are. It is so incredibly light, you wouldn't believe it. Really doesn't feel like the quality watch it is. What a handsome guy. He didn't have the winter fur. I didn't release that video at the time because, like I just said, it doesn't feel the quality it is. It is exceptional quality. I'm not going to slag it. It is no full stop. But it is titanium. And as I was doing my homework here, so I could dazzle you with all my Astron knowledge, to be really honest, I got bored with the technical stuff that goes inside the movement. A bit like a smartwatch. There's so much going on, and it is so well developed, so well executed. But for me, again, completely personal, I am into vintage watches, mechanical watches, and the artisanal side, how it's made, and that's what I love. When I was doing my homework for this one, I just realized for me it is a smartwatch, and probably smarter than I am. And it reminded me of a client coming here, and he inherited a beautiful Hoyer. Stunning mechanical watch from the mid-60s that was just, but inheritance. And he didn't have the same feel with it as a wristwatch. And well, I did a full restoration and so chuffed with the end result. And he came to pick it up and I handed over. And I said, well, the amplitude is about 300 degrees. And we polished all the screw heads. And he said, is it running on time? Yeah, of course. Okay, well, that's it. And he probably didn't know too much about vintage watches and the mechanics of it. And he was just satisfied it is running on time. Sure, well, see ya, bye-bye, thank you. Same with me, with this particular watch. It is outstanding, but for me, it is just like a quartz movement, although I'm fully aware of all the extra that went into it. It is running on time, and everywhere in the world with the GPS, everything's going on. But for me, that is just the overkill. But there's a lovely optical illusion I want to show you. And see if it works. Because it's so well visible under the microscope. 3, 2, 1. And hope that it works. Yeah. Here. The hands are so well polished. A beautiful black polish on one side. And that is the optical illusion. Look at this. Because the hands are completely flat. And only one side has got the straight graining. And the other side has got an insane black polish. Look at this. And a complete optical illusion. It looks like it is bent, but it isn't. It's just made to the highest quality. And such a lovely perfection. And same here. How straight it is and well polished. It is beautiful. So it isn't a review. It is just an opinion of a grey bearded watchmaker. It is technically stunning. It is incredibly light. And for me, it's just so advanced in the movement that I kind of lost interest, and it is just a nice looking, excellent running movement, which is on time. So please let me know what you think of this Seiko Astron, because it is something special, even though it's so advanced electronically. I really do hope you like this small stream and my point of view with a huge mechanical movement cap on, but it is something else and really lovely to show you. All of you, thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.